Don't forget, now if you are lost, you have to find your north. And I want you to remember that in this life, you have to find your north. In that north, you have to find N, your nature. I want you to be the best of who you are, but you have to go back to the first question, who are you? And that's the first thing you have to find, your nature. You will nurture your nature, and you should look into your competencies. You have to find your opportunities. Do you believe in luck? Luck has a formula. The formula of luck is luck equals preparedness times opportunity. When your preparedness matches the opportunity, you're lucky. Then you also should find your R. Everybody say relationships. You build that relationships, and that relationship begins at home. You have to find your relationships. And let's go to T. You have to find your track. If you're in a long journey, you're finding the track. And the track is not only where you're heading, the track is also where you've been. You have to learn how to learn. Because in this very volatile world, you have to learn how to learn. Kailangang matuto ka kung paano matuto dahil sobrang bilis magbago ng mundo. And if you don't learn how to learn, believe me, you're dead. And the track is towards the vision. If you don't know where you're going, you'll never get there. And that's why you have to find your track. And the last, you have to find your heart. Because that heart drives the passion. You know, the mind can be afraid. The mind can give up. But the heart won't. When you put your heart in what you do, you call that passion. And anything you do with passion becomes the best. And I want you to summarize this. And that should be a reminder to you. And therefore, in your life, you always have to find the north. And I want you to remember that for the rest of your life. Find your north.